Hello, beautiful creatives. Welcome back to the channel where fashion meets inspiration. Today, we're diving into something truly magical, the art of beading. Beading isn't just about adding sparkle to fabric. It's about bringing life, story, and identity into every stitch. Each bead you attach carries intention, a touch of beauty, patience, and creativity. Across Africa, beadwork has always been a symbol of royalty, heritage, and celebration. And today, modern designers like you are carrying that legacy forward, blending tradition with trend. Just look at the difference. A simple dress becomes a masterpiece, one bead at a time. Beads add texture, structure, and shine that make your designs unforgettable. All you need is your needle, your beads, and your creative spirit. Start small, maybe add some beadwork to a sleeve, a neckline, or the waist of your next outfit. It's how you turn ordinary pieces into extraordinary fashion statements. If this inspired you today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with another designer who needs a little sparkle in their journey. Till next time, keep creating, keep shining, and keep designing with heart.